Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll walk you through the easiest way to set up a static IP address with NordVPN. If you need a stable IP for work, remote access, or personal projects, this method keeps things simple and straightforward. First, head over to the NordVPN website and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where everything you need is easy to find. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Services and click on it. This will expand a list of features linked to your account. From there, find the area labeled Additional Features and Services. Inside that section, you'll see Dedicated IP. Click on Get Dedicated IP to move forward. Next, you'll choose a plan. NordVPN offers monthly, yearly, and 2-year options. In most cases, longer plans give you better value, so choose the one that fits how long you expect to need a static IP. After that, select your payment method. You can pay using a credit card, debit card, Google Pay, or PayPal. Just double-check your details to make sure everything goes through smoothly. Once your payment is complete, you'll be prompted to choose your dedicated IP location. Pick the country or city that best suits your needs, whether it's for work tools, secure access, or specific online services. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. A dedicated IP requires an active NordVPN subscription. Also, in some countries with strict internet regulations, dedicated IPs may have limited functionality, so it's a good idea to review the guidelines for your region. And that's it. You've successfully set up a static IP address with NordVPN using the simplest method available. If you'd like to get NordVPN at a great discount, check out my affiliate link below for up to 74% off plus 3 free months. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your secure browsing.